What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys can see, the background of today's video is different than the normal videos that I make here on the channel. I am visiting family here on Long Island, so I'm in my old studio. Looks a little bit different because I just am recording off my laptop here, but come tomorrow, videos will be back to normal. And I apologize for not making a video yesterday, as somehow there was a major storm here which knocked power out for majority of the day, which was super disappointing. But I figured I could either put out a video at like 8 p.m. or just not make a video, and I'll make one today, and that's what I'm here doing. So that's why video is coming out a little bit later today, but at least I have one coming out. And tomorrow it'll be the normal time, which I'm excited for, to be back on the schedule. But we do have some interesting things. Not really much happened yesterday that we missed here. XRP is still trading kind of sideways here. Same thing with Ethereum. Bitcoin's been floating sideways, and the S&P 500 isn't really seeing much movement at all either. Maybe we're starting to see a reversal. I don't know. I do think that's a big possibility, though, that we're going to have to discuss and talk about today. But you can see here on XRP, we may or may not be trading outside the fourth, bull flag formation here that's pretty much taken over XRP. I'm hoping that's what we're seeing today. I'm hoping that's what this is. I don't know for sure, but there's a good chance that this is what's going to take place. And then hopefully we can see that big reversal, or that big, transcendent movement to the upside here. But obviously it's a waiting game at the moment here. We're kind of, patiently waiting for this to happen here. We did buy in on a quick little, swing to the upside here, a quick little bull trap that's reversed us downwards. And then since reversing downwards, we've literally been flatlined out completely. Same thing for the most part on Ethereum here, flatlined out completely. And then Bitcoin is doing the same thing, and the S&P is maybe starting to reverse up. So lots of important things to go over in today's video. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you can see here on the YouTube channel, looking at our previous videos, this is 2 days ago because I wasn't able to make a video yesterday here, but we've just been kind of patiently waiting for some sideways movement on Bitcoin's chart, as well as the fourth bull flag formation here on XRP specifically. You can see we've been tracking this for a long time now, going back all the way like a week ago. We had the descending fractal here. You can see every day since we've been watching, and then we've had a lot of this sideways trading here. You can see sideways movement. It's not really something to all be waiting for. It's real boring, and it's real, some people get real impatient, excuse me. But for the most part here, that's just what we're sitting ducks for. If you want to trade conservatively, that's what you have to wait for here. You can't just buy in with the anticipation of a rally to the upside here with little risk. If you do that, you are an aggressive trader, and you could miss out on, or you can lose out on, a lot of money in the events that, the opposite thing happens here. So as a conservative trader, the idea is to wait patiently for that opportunity to present itself, and then we'll buy in long. Especially with a lot of these cryptos, that opportunity is presenting itself, and we now have to just wait for that perfect moment of confirmation closure to buy in and leverage to the upside here. So looking at the current coin market cap, we're up only 0.5%, but this is exactly what we were talking about. I didn't even look at the coin market cap yet, but just taking, and looking at, XRP and looking at Bitcoin and some of these other cryptos, I've already could tell that we're trading sideways here. So you can see it's been 4 or 5 days now. This is probably 2 to 3 days of this movement here. For the most part, it's been sideways. Flatlined, flatline, flatline. Everything is just trading sideways completely here. For the most part, at least the major cryptos, XRP is flatline, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Those are like the 3 major cryptos that all seem to kind of correlate very well with each other. They kind of trade sideways with each other here. We don't really see much movement besides sideways movement. And the fact that we're seeing that now, typically, as we know, equals high volatility to come, big swings to come in the very near future. So I would not be surprised if after this flatline sideways movement ends in big swings in the market come the end of this or come closure here. So that's what we're paying attention to. That's what we're patiently waiting for here. Looking at XRP on the 4-hour charts, you can see like what is going on here. Excuse me. You can see the sideways trades. Look at how much or how little movement the relative strength indicator is here. Trading at 50 on the RSI. No movement whatsoever here. Then you can see here. Look at this. This is nuts. This is not a common thing we see within cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a very volatile market. So to see this always ends in big movements here. We have a clear price ceiling, clear price floor. Whichever direction we break through, that's where we'll go. So once this is confirmed breaking through to the upside or to the downside, that's what we'll either buy long or sell short. So that's what we're waiting for here. And this should hopefully see that rally to the upside here. That's what we're looking for here. And it's probably going to end in a big swing. As you can see, typically when this candle does kind of break, we do have a little bit of consolidation here. The last one was immediate, but that's kind of what we're paying attention to. So very soon, we're going to see this maybe trend out, but then I'm expecting to see a rally. So if today or tomorrow, the next day, we trend out of here, close outside of this, I would really likely think, I would like to see a bit more volume though. But I think if we close right here, that's enough for me to buy in and long to the upside. It really is. I would buy in right here, and then we can leverage and buy in for a big swing. But I would expect that if we do see this run, as we've seen in the past year on numerous occasions, that it will give us plenty of opportunity to buy in case we miss out on the first movement here. But there's a good chance this is what I expect to see happening here. I'm like 80% bullish at this point on Bidfy or on XRP. And I've been doing the trades on Bidfy, which for those that don't know is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Bidfy lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Literally everything you can possibly think of is offered on Bidfy here, which is why it's the #1 exchange that I like to use and have been using for years now. It's been years with very, very, very little hiccups. Sometimes websites update and stuff. Bidfy is very, transparent and straightforward, and they're making lots of new things to come to their platform as well, which I'll update you guys later, but they're constantly updating and making their platform better, which is my favorite. They're even listed on the coin market cap here. If we type in Bidfy, you can see Bidfy is offered on here, which is super freaking cool. They're number 200, but I like them a lot. I like what they offer here. So the fact that they're even listed on CoinMarketCap should entrust their trust and transparency with you. But what's really cool is you can buy long, like I said, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, create margin, take profits, stop losses. Everything you can possibly think of is offered on Bidfy, which is really cool. They have a demo account right here, which gives you 100 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills completely free. Get familiar with the platform. It means you can sign up completely free down in the description below and then trade around completely risk-free using their demo account here, which I highly recommend you guys do. It's under derivatives, like contracts. Click any of these and you'll get the demo account right there. Now, the best part is if you do decide to sign up today, you can earn up to $2,888 completely free by completing some of the and advanced tasks and winning that sign up bonus. So make sure to check it out. Link down in the description below. But moving forward from this, I just want to pull this up really quick. You click on just like I just did. That'll get you to the demo account. But now I want to look at Ethereum and Bitcoin here. So everything, the market is waiting patiently for big movements. If their XRP is waiting for that movement, Ethereum is waiting for that movement, Bitcoin is waiting for its big break here. And just like we said with XRP breaking through its downtrend here in blue, same thing is applying itself with Ethereum, but it's at its price ceiling here. You can see this has been a problem zone. This has been a problem zone. This has been a problem zone. And this has been a problem zone where we have not been able to break through it here. And that's what we're patiently waiting for. If we can break through this price ceiling here and finally close a daily candle above here, that would be enough to expect to see a run at least up to $1,900, if not even higher here. But it's literally, we just have to wait it out. And at some point when it does decide to break, that will be the opportunity that we buy in and long to the upside here. So wait patiently, be patient, and hopefully when we close above that, we can buy in and long it to the upside here. Same thing goes with Bitcoin too. Bitcoin, when we confirm closure above its price ceiling, which is clearly right here, that would be the opportunity to long, expecting to see a break above $31,000. Very easy, very quickly, break above this, and a leverage to the upside. That's the expected or anticipated reversal. But we've, managed to consolidate and retest moving average. Ethereum's done the same thing, retesting moving average. XRP is coming very close to retest it. So we're at a point now where we have the volume and the movement left to move to the upside here. And that alone is giving us enough opportunity to get in on this run and leverage to the upside here. So it's really just a waiting game at this point, and hopefully it comes sooner than later. Now, as for the S&P, this is where things get weird, but my goal, my hope is that we revert. We're going to reverse. It's either we reverse now, which is what we're seeing right here, or we fall then reverse. These are like the only two options that I can expect to see. the S&P move to. And with the way the market is moving on the S&P, I likely think it's what I have drawn out right now over the second one. But there is still that opportunity, there is still that possibility of this. Regardless, though, we are headed up in any sense, so I'm really not too worried across the board. But we'll see what happens. But with that being said, that's it for today's video. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.